Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete any photo you are tagged in on Facebook. Open your Facebook app, then tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Then scroll down and you need to click on this settings option under the settings and privacy option. Now scroll down a bit and you will see this activity login option in here. So click on it. Then you can find manage tag option in here. So tap on it. Now you need to click on this filter option in the top left corner. Next you can click on this categories option in here. Now you need to click this photos you are tagged in option. Then you can find all photos you are tagged in. Now select a photo you have tagged and click on the three dots in here. Next you can find remove tag option in here. So tap on it to remove tag. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.